In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily bookmark entry on journal. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up journal application, and there are several ways how we can bookmark an entry. The first way is just to find an entry we would like to bookmark, then tap at three dots and then select bookmark. That will mark this entry with that bookmark icon, and basically bookmark tool allows us to quickly filter entries using that filter. So we can tap right here and then select bookmarked, and that will filter for us all the bookmarked entries. And also we can bookmark or unbookmark an entry. While we creating it, we can create an entry and we can tap at that button to bookmark it even before saving that entry, so we can then attach some photo, voice memo, all that stuff, and then to continue we can just tap at done to save it. That's how you can easily bookmark entries on journal. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.